Hi Todd, this is the front door of the house on Beryl Court. I'm going to make this really quick. This is a den. Swing back around. See these great columns here in the entry. One into the kitchen, granite. Dual panel cherry wood cabinets, stainless appliances. Dishwasher's been removed. See that big giant view window? Looks right out on the mountains. It's very nice. And there's family room. This is one bedroom. Shares a Jack and Jill bath. On into the next bedroom. Looks like 12-foot ceilings in these bedrooms. To the house. Nice big patio. That's decorative concrete made to look like flagstone, but it is concrete. There's a swimming pool. It's a PebbleTec pool, and it needs to be acid washed and cleaned out. The rest of the backyard over to the right, there's a grass area. That's a small grass area. It looks like some type of maybe fountains or plants have been pulled out. There's some big holes out there, but otherwise it's very overgrown with weeds. Let's go over to the master side. This master is very large. That was the entry, and then here's the master bath. Got master closet there. And another one on this side of me to my left. Walk-in shower. Loo. Back out. And all the way in back here through the family room. There is a 3/4 bath and a 4th bedroom. And then this door leads out to the backyard. There's that partial grass area. Straight through here, you've got your butler's pantry. You've got your regular pantry. It's your laundry room and mud room. Not much light in there. Garage, 3-car garage. Does have storage cabinets. It's hard to see. You can see the storage cabinets. So we've got additional storage here. I know it's pretty dark in here. This might not come out. Lots of additional storage in the garage and a little workbench here. And that will be it for the interior tour.